Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today, my wife is making a popular dim sum dish, steamed pork ribs with fermented beans. First, we need to prepare the ribs by cutting it into small pieces. Then soak the ribs with cold water, ginger slices, and rice wine for half an hour to remove the blood. You can also use cornstarch or flour to rub the ribs and help clean the blood out of the ribs. Since we are going to steam the ribs without pre-cooking, this kind of deep cleaning would make the ribs much cleaner. To marinate the pork ribs, we are using some chopped up scallions, the fermented beans, soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, and a little bit potato starch, all mixed well, and marinate for half an hour. To add some color and kick to the dish, we're using Thai chili here. If you don't like spicy, you can use regular bell pepper. Once the ribs are marinated, remove the scallions, as we don't want them to be steamed with the ribs. You can add a little bit more potato starch to help lock in the moisture and create that shiny layer on the ribs. Finally, add a little bit of oil since the ribs are very lean. Put the ribs into a plate in the steamer and top it with the red chili. Put the steamer on boiling water. Use high heat to steam for 20 to 30 minutes depending on the size of the ribs. When the steaming is done, garnish the dish with some freshly chopped scallion. The ribs should be tender and juicy and packed with flavor. Hope you can give this a try and enjoy it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time.